Hello, team. It's Sarah, and I want to welcome all of our new team members that we've gotten this month on Team Rah. Whether you have joined for the $49 deal to get the gift certificate, or if you purchased a kit, we welcome you to our group. So we want to support you and celebrate you along the way and offer any help that you need. So the first step after you have purchased your enrollment, if you have the gift certificate that you want to use, I want to make a really brief demonstration of how you will do that. So you will go to 31today.com, all spelled out. This is going to be your best friend, this website, 31today.com. And then it'll take you to this login screen where you will enter in your consultant ID as well as the password you created when you enrolled. If you want the computer to remember you, simply check that box and sign in. So once you are logged in, there's going to be two places that you can click on. You want to get to your virtual office. So you can click here, or you can get to your virtual office here or down here. So there's actually three places. So since I'm right here, I'm going to go to virtual office down here. You can also go to www.my31.com/your ID number to also get to this page. So here's your back office. The very first step you're going to do is create a party link. This is if you want to submit your order within a party. You can also use the marketplace feature, which I will show you that as well. But click on parties, and we're going to create a new party. For now, put yourself as the hostess who's hosted this party. I'm going to put myself right here. And party name, I'm just going to say end of May. It doesn't need to be anything specific. I'm going to put home party, or no, I'm going to put online party. Closing date, let's just pick a random day in June. We can always change that date later. Let me hit save. Whoops, phone number. For some reason, it didn't pull mine up. So I'm just putting myself as the hostess right now. Okay, so we've created our party. Down here is the party link. I'm going to hit save and update. Okay, once we have created our party, we are going to click the orders tab and go to guests and new order. I'm going to put myself as the new order. Save and continue. And then I'm going to pick the products that I want. Let's say I want the all-packed duffel. That's an $80 item. I'm going to just choose it in the green cabana stripe, add to cart. And what else do I want? Away for the weekender, right here. And I'm going to pick that in Island Nights. I really like that one. I'm going to add that to the cart. Now, this is more money than what the gift certificate is for, but that's okay. Let's say that I wanted these two items. I'm going to go to begin checkout, and I'm going to be able to apply my $131 gift certificate to this order. So by doing that, I'm going to go down to the bottom here. I'm going to click new payment, and gift certificate will be an option. So the gift certificate number that you will enter here is what you received in your email the day after you joined. So you'll put the gift certificate number here, and you'll change the amount to $131. Once your gift certificate number is entered with this amount, you can save payment, and then it will allow you to have another payment. It'll show up with another box like this where you can do the remainder of the payment, if there is one, on the credit card that you have on file. And that is it. Isn't that awesome? So that's putting an order within a party. Now you can also go to Marketplace. If you go to Orders here, we're going to leave what we're in. And I'm going to do a new order. Order type, let's do Marketplace, 31 Marketplace. Okay, it's got all my information here, and save. So same idea with Marketplace, except with Marketplace you get 40% off from the top. So if I want to get an Away for the Weekender, add to cart. And if I want the same all packed duffel, I don't care on the print. I'm just doing this as an example. But if I'm getting the same 2 products, view the cart, it's going to show up as less because I'm getting it automatically 40% off. Now within a party, keep in mind you're getting paid on the personal volume that you submit in the party, and you're also earning rewards as a hostess to get free products when it's in a party. So I like to put my orders in on party, but this is also an option. So each one would be $48, and you're going to have the same checkout. You're going to go to begin checkout, and you would enter in your gift certificate down here. So that is all. Let me know what questions you have, but I've shown you how to create a party and how to enter the order in the party and how to access Marketplace by going to orders. So thanks again for being on the team, for trusting us, and let me know what questions you have as you get going. I would love to help you.